tumbled leather. What's going on, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. Today we got a really dope shoe, one that I've always wanted but I always slept on, and this is the Jordan 13 playoffs. Okay, so these joints will be coming out very soon. I know there's a lot of reviews coming out. Wear Testers did a review, and I think Fulmer Simpson did a review, but these guys are all reviewing the shoe, and I'm just really excited that this shoe is coming back out. I do have the He Got Games, and this is kind of like the anti-He Got Game, so I'm really excited to get this shoe and show it to y'all. So before I go into breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends, all those things that everybody else says in their videos. Please do that here. It really helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate you guys jumping on board and really just supporting me. I appreciate that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Go ahead and check out that Reels page. The Reels page is popping. I got a lot of shoes on there. It might kind of spark your interest, some stuff that I've reviewed in the past that you might not have seen me review yet. And last but not least, make sure you guys go and follow me in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. Again, the Discord link is in the description of the video. Really have a good community in there. We share shoes with each other. We trade shoes with each other, buy shoes from each other. If you want to figure out where we get our shoes from and how we politic and navigate the web to get our shoes, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description, all right? So Jordan 13 playoffs. You know Jordan did a lot of numbers in the 13s. This is just one of those, almost kind of like the Black Cats, but not really. But he did a lot of damage in the 13s. And I know he only wore them for a brief moment, but he really went to town in the 13s when he did have them on. And this is just one of those coveted shoes that everybody loves, okay? So let's just do a quick once over, and then we will get down to the details. So just a quick once over. You see you got the leather upper. There's no 3M on the shoe, just that leather upper. You still got the standard eye in the back, that cat eye. Got some really nice tumbled leather on these joints. Very nice. Your pods are white, just like the He Got Game. You got that nice suede material on that midsole and on that upper right here. Very nice. Outsole is dope. You know, you got your Chicago kind of colorway. I like that eye right there. Really nice. Black laces. And then really right here, just that Jumpman with the yellow with the circle around it. Very nice. Medial side of the shoe looks pretty nice too. All right, so let's take a closer detailed look. Toe box looks really good. Looks like we got some really nice leather on here. Not too bad. Got some tumbling. Nothing crazy, but it does look good. Tumbled on the upper right here. So very nice. And it's a nice soft leather right here. It's not too firm. It's nice and soft, and it actually feels nice and robust. So not bad there. Suede right here pattern looks good. You might want to brush this when you get it. It's gonna get some stuff like this right here. You see that right there? You're gonna get some lint and stuff like that on this, but you can brush that right off, no problem. See how I just took that off? So all these little pieces right here are fuzz. You just take your little lint brush and you just brush it. Definitely some nice quality suede right here, so not bad. Our cat eye looks pretty good. There's the Jumpman with the 23 in there, so nothing too crazy there. Pretty standard on the 13s if you ask me. The heel of the shoe looks pretty good. Everything seems to line up. Here is the medial side of the shoe right here, and that doesn't look too bad. Very nice. Like I said, you guys can just brush off all of that lint off the suede, so not bad there. Here's just to give you a nice little detailed look at that outsole. Standard outsole, you got your pods, you know what I'm saying? You got your plate right here, and then there's that eye in there, so not bad. Got your Jordan right here in the yellow, so that looks good. And then you got your laces going up brushed black right there, so not bad right there. That looks pretty good. I will say that the Jumpman on this tongue looks super crazy. He's got the butt cheeks like crazy. My guy's got a BBL. That looks too crazy. And his hand right here. What's up with that? So the stitching on this, not good. Not good stitching. I don't like that. You know, I got to take points off for that. That looks crazy. If you ask me, it looks super crazy. I think that was just a really lazy job right there. The shoe looks great. But that right there, that's a no-go. So I gotta really take points off for that. But other than that, you know, the circle looks okay and all that. Just the Jumpman, wow. Looks like he's got a snow mitten on. So look at that, it's not even fingers, that's crazy. Whatever, it is what it is. I'm still gonna wear these joints, so I don't care. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints, so nothing spectacular there. Got a black sock liner. Insole of the shoe is black. You got your yellow Jumpman right there. And then on the other side, it's just like a regular foamy piece of an insole. It's nothing crazy. It's not polyurethane. It's not really anything. So it is what it is. I personally like to go down half a size with 13s because they have a lot of room in them and it fits my foot a little bit better. So that's why I got a 10 instead of a 10.5. And it just fits well, you know what I'm saying? But you can go true to size if you like. Me personally, I always suggest to go half a size down at 13s. They just got a lot of space. I don't know why. So in all, dope shoe, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with the 13s, especially this shoe. I think a lot of people are gonna be happy that this is coming back out. If I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this shoe a 9 for the colorway. The colorway is dope. It's just a super solid shoe. I really like it. You can wear it with almost anything. So you can't go wrong with this colorway for the playoff 13s. Now for construction and materials, the materials are great on this shoe. If it was based off materials alone, I would probably give this shoe a 10 because the materials are that good. However, that stitching of that Jumpman was crazy. That Jumpman just looked terrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 6.5. I'll give it a 6.5 because the Jumpman. If it wasn't because of that Jumpman looking so bad, I would probably give it a 9. But you know, it is what it is, all right? So I won't steer you guys wrong. I'm just gonna tell you what it is, and that's just how I feel about it. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. Hope it was informative for y'all. Hope you guys can get a pair when these joints do drop. I will look for a retail pair when it does drop so I can do a comparison for y'all, just show y'all some differences and details. I will do that for you guys, all right? So until next time, you guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed. Peace.